Hey y'all, welcome back to the garage. It's springtime here in Ohio, and that means lawn mowing season. We gotta get the lawnmower out, or get a riding mower out, and today we're gonna change blades because we had a company reach out and offer us a set of butt blades. Usually I have a set of OE blades, but I figure what the heck, we'll try some aftermarket ones and see how they cut, see how they do, and if they're really nice, we'll put them into the rotation of, I got 2 or 3 sets that I keep sharpened up so I can just swap them out, keep a good cut on the lawn. So let's get the tractor up here, get it lifted up, get the old ones off, and we'll put these new ones on. Alright y'all, name of the company that sent these to me is called Fourtry. They're an Amazon seller, so but I'll leave a link to their page in the description. But let's get these things kind of opened up, and we'll see what they look like. I like the packaging, nice bubble wrap. All right, yeah, I mean they look like the right blades. Seem like they're pretty decent. Seem like I get a fairly decent edge on them. So yeah, let's get them out to the tractor, and we'll get the old ones off. And sorry about that. We'll get the old ones off, and then we'll get the new ones put on. All right, y'all. Let's get this blade off of here. All right. So want to check her out, and want to make sure she's the same thing. Oh yeah, yep, they're exactly the same. So let's get this new one put on here. Oh, my spacer fell off. This thing spun on there. There we go. Now, just zip her back on. All right. You guys probably can't hear me because the air compressor, but she's on there. I'll go back and torque them with a torque wrench, but yeah, they fit. Look nice. So there's 2 more to change. I'm gonna change those, and then we'll go out and give you guys a cut video. All right, y'all. Got the tractor off the lift. Let's go out and see how she cuts. So. Alright y'all, there you have it. I really like those blades. For being non-OEM blades, they're great. My opinion, they do just as good, if not better job than OE blades. They're good and sharp right out of the package. Thank you, Fourtry, for sending them to us. Hopefully we can work together in the future. But yeah, I'm really liking them. I'm gonna get some good mowing out of those. So appreciate y'all. Please check out the link in the description, and if you would, like, comment, subscribe, and catch y'all on the next one.